set up a contact form for your WordPress website? The one that looks professional, works perfectly on mobile, protects you from spam, sends email notifications, and even stores data so that you can export it later? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to do it. We are going to use free plugins, no code, and by the end, you'll have a full custom form styled to match your site design and ready to collect submissions. By the way, this video is sponsored by our very own plugin Malcare. It's the most complete security tool for your WordPress website, and I'll link a free plan below so you can check it out. So let's get started. The first step is to install the plugin we'll use to build the form. Go to your WordPress dashboard, look at the sidebar, and click on Plugins. Then click Add New. In the search bar on the top right, type WPForms Lite. Click Install Now, then Activate. WPForms Lite is free, very beginner friendly, and gives us everything we need to build a clean, customizable contact form. Once it's active, you'll see a new menu in your WordPress sidebar called WPForms. Hover over it and click Add New. This will open the WPForms form builder. On the left, you'll see a panel with all the available fields. These are basically different types of questions or inputs you can add to your form. Things like single line text, email, phone, drop-downs, and checkboxes. On the right, you'll see a big blank space. This is your form canvas. Think of the left panel as your toolbox and the right side as your workspace. You drag fields from left and drop them into form area on the right. Let's start building. Drag in a single line text field and label it first name. Then drag in another single line text field and label it last name. Add one more single line text and call it job title. Next, drag in the email field and label it work email. This field is special because it will check that the person actually typed in a proper email address, not just a random text. Below that, drag in the phone field so visitors can add their number. Now let's add a multiple choice question. Drag in the multiple choice field. By default, it will just say multiple choice, but we'll change it obviously. Update the label at the top to say number of employees. Then change the options to say I'm a solo creator, I need to set up an account for myself. And I'm a part of a team, I need to set up an account for a team. This type of field is also called a radio button, which simply means a list of options where the user can only pick one. You've seen it before when you select yes or no on a form. Unlike checkboxes, which let people pick multiple things at once, radio buttons force a single clear choice. At the very bottom of the form, you'll see the Submit button. Click it to edit and change the text to something a little more welcoming like Get in Touch. The default Submit works, but it feels cold and technical. Get in Touch makes it clear that this is about communication. Once you're happy with your form, click Save at the top. WPForms will now generate something called a shortcode. It looks like a small snippet of text inside square brackets, something like WPForms ID is equal to 123. You don't need to understand the code itself, just think of it as a shortcut. Wherever you paste that shortcode, your form will appear on the website. Copy it because we'll need it in the next step. Now let's add the form to a page using Elementor. Go to the page where you want the form to appear, maybe your contact page, and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor. On the left, you'll see the widget panel. This is your toolbox. It has all the drag and drop elements like text, images, buttons, and shortcodes. On the right, you'll see your actual page preview. This is the canvas where you build your layout. Think of it the same way you did with WPForms. Left side is Tools and right side is Workspace. Click the grey plus button in the canvas area to add a new container. Choose a 2-column layout so that the page is split in half. The left column will hold your form and the right column will hold an image and a testimonial. This kind of split layout is very common for contact sections. The form is functional while the testimonial or image builds trust. Click inside the left column. From the widget panel on the left, search for shortcode. Drag the shortcode widget into the left column. In the box that appears, paste the WPForms shortcode you copied earlier. Immediately your form will show up in the page preview. Now move to the right column, drag in an image widget and upload a photo. This could be a headshot of you, your team, or even a customer. Below the image, drag in a text widget and type out a short testimonial or a trust message. This creates balance, a working form on one side and social proof on the other. At this point, the form is working, but it looks very plain. Let's style it so it feels a part of your site. For that, we'll use another free plugin called Qi Addons. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, Add New, and search for Qi Addons. Install and activate the free version. Now return to Elementor. In the left column where you place the shortcode, delete the shortcode widget. Instead, search for WPForms styler. This is one of the Qi add-on widgets. Drag it into the column. Inside the widget settings, select your form from the drop-down. Now your form appears again, but this time it can be fully styled inside Elementor. Here is where the magic begins. Adjust the field layout so that the first name and last name sit side by side in the same row. This saves space and looks much cleaner. Add consistent spacing between fields so the form doesn't feel squished. Give each field a light border and a subtle radius so the corners are rounded. This small touch makes the form look softer and more modern. Finally, style the button. Make it full width so it stretches across the column. Give it a dark background or your brand color and add rounded corners so it looks bold and clickable. These changes turn a plain functional form into something that looks like it belongs on your site. The last step is to make sure the form works on mobile. In Elementor, click the responsive mode icon and switch to mobile view. By default, Elementor will show both columns side by side or top and bottom, but on the small screen that makes everything cramped. To fix this, go to the responsive settings and enable hide on mobile. This hides the image, makes the text much easier to read on mobile. When you preview the page, you'll see a professional contact form that looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile, all ready styled to match your site. But if you want extra customization, you can easily add it with a bit of CSS. I've added the code in the description below. Just go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, then Customize and open the Custom CSS section. Paste the code there and when you return to Elementor, you'll see the form field styled perfectly to match your site. And remember, WPForms automatically stores every submission in your WordPress backend. So even if an email notification gets lost, you still have the data safe in your dashboard. Before we wrap up, there's one thing you should know. By default, WordPress uses something called PHP mail to send form emails. The problem is most web hosts don't configure this properly. So your form emails might end up in spam or never arrive at all. That's where SMTP comes in. SMTP is a more reliable form of sending emails because it connects your website to a real email provider. Here's how to set it up quickly. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. You'll see WP Mail SMTP in your sidebar. Open the settings and you'll be asked to choose your mailer. You can connect it to Gmail, Outlook, SendGrid, or even your web host's email service. Once it's set up, every time someone submits your contact form, the notification will be sent through Gmail servers instead of WordPress's unreliable mail function. That means your messages are far more likely to land in your inbox instead of spam. And that's it. You've built a custom contact form in WordPress that looks professional, supports custom fields, is responsive across devices, protects you from spam, sends notifications, stores entries, and now reliably delivers emails with SMTP. All without writing a single line of code and all for free. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're going to love it. Click here and I'll see you there.